While Russia continues to try and reinvent their code cage, hoping any day now it will actually add any real protection, Ukraine continues to improve their drone army, here targeting a T-64 tank with a net covering around the entire tank from the code cage. With the first strike immobilizing the tank and causing a hole in the code cage net, the second drone circles around and hits the already damaged position. Causing a large explosion as the warhead detonates some ammunition inside, destroying another of Russia's tanks, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.